shores where the oceans meet the skies, to the hills where the noble sunrise lies.
We stand as one, united and free, under the banner of Britannia's decree.
Our hearts are strong,
Our spirits high,
together we reach
for the endless God bless British Mauritius, our pride. One people, one nation, side by side with courage and hope. May we always be
a beacon of light for the world to see. Through the waves, the winds, the passing years, we've weathered the storm.